Welcome to Module 4, Nurturing Positive Relationships, Interactions, and Environments. This is a really important module because it's talking about positive guidance, which is usually one of the hottest topics that students ask about and need more information about. So please make sure that you really pay close attention this week. I think you're going to really get some great ideas. So we have 4 objectives. First, we're going to discuss how educators impact the healthy development through positive guidance. We're going to identify characteristics of what positive relationships and supportive interactions look like. We're going to be practicing using developmentally appropriate practices in early childhood, and then you'll be reflecting on your field experience again. So how are we going to do that? First, you have a reading in Chapter 7, 7.1 and 7.2, and then you have a few online lectures. The first one is called Promoting Positive Self-Esteem. This is actually a PowerPoint that I designed with another instructor for workshops that we give, so I hope that you will enjoy it as well. Then there's an interactive lecture called Creating a Developmentally Appropriate Environment, where you have different pictures that you click on and try to figure out what's most developmentally appropriate. And then there's one called Positive Teaching Strategies. You will need to read that because you'll need to know that in order to do your written assignment. Then in your discussion, you will need to have viewed that PowerPoint that I talked about, the positive self-esteem, in order to complete your discussion this week, and read the directions very carefully because there's a little bit of added things that you need to do for your discussion this week. In the written assignment, it's called Positive Teaching Strategies, and it's a template. And again, you'll be basing off of that article that you read in your online lecture, Positive Teaching Strategies. And then you'll have your field experience report in hours. Remember, you're recording the total hours that you have through week 4. And then make sure that when you're responding in those reflection questions, that you're providing details and examples in your responses. And then make sure that you're using proper punctuation and appropriate professional writing. So that takes us through this week. Hope you enjoy it, and make sure that you reach out to me if you have any questions. Thank you.